Good morning, welcome to another edition of Walking Yoga. We start off walking yoga in a very important pose. One hand over the heart, one hand over the solar plex. This tunes our body into feeling what's going on inside of us so we can connect with what's going on outside of us. So when you start on with your walk, be mindful of inhaling through the nose with the mouth closed. And you can either exhale through the mouth or keep the mouth closed. You decide. Clasp your hands behind your back. Grab your elbows and start walking forward. This is an excellent walking yoga pose if you just want to hold your hands behind your back. Your forearms rest on your lower lumbar, which mindfully tell you to walk pressing your hips forward instead of walking with your chest forward. Relax your shoulders, relax your elbows. So your hands grabbing your elbows are relaxed in this position. As you're walking, breathing in and breathing out. I invite you to take off your shoes and ground with Mother Earth. Just feel the softness of the earth beneath you while you're doing your walking yoga pose. When you look down at your feet, you're recognizing your feet touching the foundation of Mother Earth. This heightens the vibration of energy that flows up through you. Make sure all 10 toes are facing forward. Sometimes we walk like this. We don't realize it. Place the toes forward and purposely, with each step, just look down at your feet. Make sure they're going forward. This way we get used to that alignment in the spine. Rotate your wrists inwards. So as you're walking along, rotating your wrists inwards, spreading your fingers wide. Do that about 8 times one way, and then go 8 times the other way. Open butterfly. You start with the arms together and you're going to bring them back together. When you inhale, you're going to open up the elbows all the way back so you feel the shoulder blades coming together. When you exhale, bring the elbows down and bring them forward, connecting together. You're going to feel that nice opening in the deltoid muscles here as well. When you open up, you're going to feel it in the pectoral muscles and the trapezius muscles in the back. So we're doing a lot of things here, so take your time. Walking yoga is not a fast pace, it's a slow pace. Inhale, exhale, come down. Sunrise yoga pose. Lace the fingers together up by the chest. Inhale, stretch the palms up towards the sky. Exhale, relax the shoulders but hold the pose. Breathe in, reach the palms up, arms come towards the ears. Breathe out, relax the shoulders. Remember to press your hips forward, all 10 toes facing forward. Inhale, nice big grin. Exhale, relax shoulders, relax arms. Inhale, press up. Exhale, relax. Breathe in, lift the shoulders up towards the ears. Breathe out, roll them down the back. Inhale, lift. Out, roll them down the back. Inhale, lift. Out, roll them down the back. Now opposite direction, inhale, lift the shoulders towards the ears, roll them forward. Inhale, lift, roll them forward. Breathe in, lift, roll them forward. Breathe in, lift, roll them forward. Each time you breathe in, the energy from Mother Earth comes up, all the way to the crown of the head. Each time you breathe out, the energy flows down. So when it circulates through your nervous system, it's cleansing your body, it's cleansing your mind, it's cleansing your spirit. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, relax the shoulders. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, relax the shoulders. Breathe in, breathe out. It's very important that you do these 2 yoga openings. You take your hands, place them down by the side. You inhale, Stretch your chin up, chest up towards the sky, and you're pressing your hips forward. And when you exhale, you're going to bend over. And when you bend over, grab your thighs, grab your shins, grab your ankles, or just let your hands hang right here. And when you want to do this, you want to do 8 full breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. And the reason for that is inhale, exhale. Is because this opens up the tightness in your legs all the way up the back. Your arms are dangling here, and you're feeling that release in the body. You got to bend your knees, bend your knees. Again, remember, these are your yoga classes. It's your yoga. Wherever you're at, feel free to modify at the yoga pose. Feel free to just dangle here. Breathe in, breathe out. And when you come up, very important, bend the knees, open the arms up, and press the hips forward as you come up, breathing at the same time. I know it's a lot to think about, but inhale so you get less lightheaded when you're down there, because sometimes we get really wobbly headed in the when we come up out of a yoga pose when we're breathing in. Inhale, come up. Replace the hand over the heart, the hand over the solar plex. Relax your shoulders. Inhale, lifting the chest slightly, pressing the hips forward slightly, and then exhale. Relax the shoulders, close the eyes, and just feel the energy around you. Feel your heart pumping strong. Feel your legs relaxing. Feel your body flowing right now. It's coming back to wholeness. You're feeling complete again. You're feeling more alive, more energetic. We look forward to seeing you on the next Walking Yoga. Namaste.